Do you know the critical symptoms of colon cancer? It's a question that might make you sit up and take notice, and for good reason. Colon cancer, commonly known as colorectal cancer, is a malignant tumor that begins in the inner lining of the colon or rectum. It's a prevalent disease with hundreds of thousands of new cases reported annually worldwide. But here's the thing, colon cancer is often preventable and treatable, especially when detected early. That's why it's so crucial to be aware of the symptoms, to listen to your body, and to seek medical advice if something feels off. This video is designed to help you do just that. We'll guide you through the critical symptoms of colon cancer, symptoms that you should never ignore. Knowing these symptoms can be your first line of defense against this potentially deadly disease, because the more you know, the more power you have to take control of your health. So, what are these critical symptoms of colon cancer that you should never ignore? First on our list is changes in bowel habits. This could take the form of diarrhea, constipation, or a noticeable narrowing of the stool that lasts for more than a few days. It's your body's way of saying something isn't quite right in the digestive tract. Secondly, there's a feeling that you need to have a bowel movement, but it's not relieved by actually having one. It's like your body is trying to eliminate something, but can't. This could be due to a blockage caused by a tumor. Next, rectal bleeding with bright red blood is a symptom that should never be brushed off. It's a clear sign that something is causing damage in your digestive tract. Fourth, blood in the stool is another red flag. This might make the stool look dark. It's not always easy to spot, but it's worth looking out for as it might indicate bleeding in the upper part of your colon. Fifth on our radar is cramping or abdominal pain. While it's common to experience these symptoms occasionally due to dietary choices or stress, persistent or severe pain could be a sign of something more serious. Next, we look at weakness and fatigue. These might be more subtle signs, but they're equally important. If you're feeling unusually tired or weak, it could be because colon cancer is affecting your body's ability to absorb nutrients, or it might be a sign of anemia due to blood loss. Finally, unexplained weight loss is another symptom to watch out for. If you're losing weight without trying, it could be due to the cancer using your body's energy, or because your body is battling the disease. These are the symptoms that should immediately trigger a visit to your doctor. It's essential to remember that having one or more of these symptoms doesn't necessarily mean you have colon cancer, but it's always better to be safe and get checked out. To recap, here are the critical symptoms of colon cancer that you should never ignore: persistent abdominal discomfort, unexplained weight loss, change in bowel habits including diarrhea or constipation, rectal bleeding or blood in your stool, feeling that your bowel doesn't empty completely, and fatigue or weakness. As we've discussed, these symptoms can be subtle and easy to overlook. However, they can also be the early warning signs of colon cancer. Early detection plays a monumental role in effectively treating this disease, so it's paramount to stay attentive to your body's signals. If you notice any of these symptoms persisting, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Your physician can provide a proper assessment and, if necessary, initiate suitable treatment. Ignoring these symptoms may allow the disease to progress, making it more challenging to treat. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay healthy.